Today I will be showing my newest save. This is the camera helicopter save that I just made like a minute ago. I just finished it, and I hope you like it. It can fly with these two propellers. And for the people thinking that I just downloaded a link for this, no, I spent my time making this. And no link because I'm on iOS. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Also, cool thing, if you turn off the blade, it will actually go down. Another tip. Put an item inside it and it would actually, it looks kind of cool. I wonder how many crates it takes to make it. Okay, it's already falling. When I was testing this, like before the camera was even on it, a single person, there was no roof on it at the time, but a single person was enough to destroy it entirely. So I hope you guys like this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and goodbye.